Hi, in this section, we're going to look at the basics of Angular building block. We will see step by step how to use Angular CLI to generate and use Angular component and Angular services. So let's go. In this video, we're going to look at the building blocks of Angular application. To write an Angular application, you have to grasp a few things on the framework's philosophy. First and foremost, Angular is component-oriented. You will write tiny components, and together they will constitute a whole application. A component is a group of HTML elements in a template, dedicated to particular task. For this, you will usually also need to have some logic linked to that template to populate data and react to events, for example. It has to be said that standard has been established around this component, the web component standard. That is, you can build small and isolated component, like for example a carousel component, reusable in different applications. The component will be arranged in a hierarchical way, like the DOMs. A root component will have child component, each of them will have also children. Like for example, so to build a Twitter web application, we will have the root component that will have children components like header, body, footer. And the children component will also have another children component inside, like for body, we'll have the posts component, and the post component will have children components, posts. We saw in this video the building blocks of Angular apps.